Yes, quite comfortable now. So, then coming to the seventh standards, we had this uh, history and geography, and we had separation of sciences. We had physics and chemistry and all of that. So they gave a good introduction, and I'm still worried about how the teachers spoke, because it was a very tough task. So people like me, they can keep talking without words for hours, because I am a child. But people, elders, they would have gone through different stages of life, and different, and even others were working people. Elders were there and working people were there. Working people, they'll be restless. So still I'm worried about them, and I would like to do any help pertaining to it, about the wealth and health of the teachers, because government is very much interested, and I'm very much, because what they speak we learn. But at the same time, we had a bunch of group of people, a set of people who made us loud, and so don't consider it as something different. It's teaching is a task, and that's an achievement, a greatest one, and a record. So like not for any person's rumor, uh, or this speeches, soft speeches and other things. Please don't consider yourself below others. So I'm talking on the video because I'm very proud. I have some knowledge and I'm teaching, and was very nice about our classes, and the seventh standard went on very well, and we all love Miss B and Geeta, and her pranks and her teaching and all of that. Even though she cannot express her Tamil attitude, she is not well versed with English. She came up because all of for the past 10 years we were in Tamil language. Only I was learning English. I was on English medium. I was learning English. Others were all in Tamil, talking people. So even though they managed to come because of me, that's not an easier task. So since I'm learning English, they have to, and then was we had a nice time, and one thing I remember about is the geography book. It was a plain, beautiful book from Tata McGraw Hills, and was a different printing. It was like an album, and a very nice one. And about the winds and the currents, which I read. I think it is 7th standard. I was reading, memorizing, and saying, talking to my mom. So 7th or 8th standard, 8th standard book. So Miss Yvonne was there. So she was teaching geography, and she was, even though she is good at English, but even though she is not much familiar. What was the fault was morning, I was restless. Morning we had our driving teaching session. this car driving session, auto, no, from our house. My father used to take, and Ottoman, Raja Ottoman. So he used to take us through the auto, and we used to go to some 10 people house, which is in and around. So almost some 2 to 3 kilometers of travel in and around the school and house. So then go to school. So morning about I wake up at 6 or 7 o'clock. 7:30 Ottoman will be there. So 1 hour of travel interior. So after 1 hour of travel, I have to go to school, and we have games, and we have to sit by studies. After school, evening 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, like 4 o'clock, come to home. 4:30 and all, we will escape outside for temples and all. My father used to take. So like in temples, and to temples, especially temples outside this Muniappan temple mostly, and we usually go to so evening also we have this driving session. So what remained to me was I was not able to do my homework also, and sometimes I used to go to neighbor's house. So how I managed subjects was, I don't know, but still these are still familiar with me. So they are teaching, it's their teaching. And so like evening also 4:30 means we come back only by 6 and 6:30. When I finish my homework, it becomes 8:30, and we don't open our eyes late night. 8:30, 9 o'clock we sleep, because morning everyone has to get ready. But still then my mother never told that she is tired or she wants to go to work. Nothing she told her. She just remained silent. Just because she is not traveling with us. So she thought since we are traveling, we are very much tired than her. So she left that. But I also did not know. She was a teacher. I don't know. Because evening when I come, evening also there is teaching in the home about life sciences, daily habits, everything, and also this folklore about folk speech and what we do in speech. So like so then Miss Subha Rajesh was there in 8th standard. She was teaching zoology, and botany. Miss P. N. Geeta was there, and 8th standard class teacher was Miss Hema. She was a very beautiful teacher, and she because we are feeling sleepy there, she is the one who has recognized about our drivings in the evening. She was asking us, even though, but I thought people are not much interested about it, because only the ministers with me, they were driving along. So after this Jayalalitha session, because so Edappadi Palanisamy was the chief minister then. So only the ministers were driving with us, were familiar to me. If the students were there alongside, and no one asked me to tell about our experience in adventure. But still now we have the maps and it's very easy. That's okay. So everyone wants to move around in and around and enjoy the nature. Everyone wants a black thunder, but not the literal version of it. Anyways, let's enjoy. No problem. So this is a very economical one of travel. So and very affordable and also useful for everyone and even for the cultivators. So we are doing the job of a farmer indeed. So like a small contribution every day I did, and just contributing 10 rupees every day to them, or driving through, will be very useful. And so like she was making history very interesting by giving names to the people as the kings, and my name was Lodi. So I read about Chanakya, and I have written a story about Chanakya, and Miss P.N. Gita was correcting the paper. She used to correct all of my papers, I think. So Chanakya's story I wrote, and I got a good marks. And so 8th standard I was having a proficiency for the first time, since we got the O grades. And so Chanakya was there, and Chalukyas, and the Tirupati dynasty, Krishna Devaraya, and so I love history and I love geography also. And so and also the Hoysalas, Chalukyas, and all of that, and the North Indian Mughals invasions. And so in the CBSE book it is given only less, but our books were very good, and especially Tata Megra Hills. So what I thought was I could get into the encyclopedia and download and from the Wikipedia, or get into the history. So I'm all set, ready for getting into the arts college books. But for now I don't want to be into the college, because these people would be very much tired, and if they act again or put on an act or perform, they will again get sick, and this folklore will diminish as usual, and it will become extinct. So I don't want to lose my tradition of India and Tamil Nadu. So let them take rest even for the next 5 years, and then come back with full swing for my child. And that's why I am leaving it as it is, because I am given orders for completing whatever I can do. I have given the degree, and also the promotions, the 5 years job working, and formation of government and all of things. But still I am waiting. It's not because others didn't tell. I'm still waiting, because we have the media. We are having something to show ourselves, because I did not have time for the culturals and other events. Even for teaching I was not able to teach, because I want the set as it is, as what they want to say. I don't want to what to say, I don't want to pull you down or ignore you, but I want the beauty of the Taj Mahal to be natural, and it came out very natural. As a director, it came out very natural. So and everyone loved it, because if I go one step ahead, so like what I'm teaching now, if I come and teach there, no one will understand. This is a widened subject for elder who have completed his bachelor's. So this is for an MD subject. This can be understood only by the teachers who teach us. So only a few of you can understand, only the merit people could understand a few of what I am saying now. So I have been brought up like that, and so everyone's language doesn't match there. So, and it came out very beautifully. Even a 10-year-old child must able to understand what you say there, and it came out very well. So next it's like we had our 8th standards, beautiful things, and so all of the people there. Then it was like what to say, we had our moral science. P.N. Geeta was there, and Hema Miss used to take moral science, and so we had Miss Ranganayaki. Yes, for Tamil we had Miss Ranganayaki, and she was very much heroic. So very beautiful in Tamil, and though I was getting only this about 60-70%, she used to put marks, but I coped up and came up to 80% then, because till then I was writing about Tamil, especially after Jayalalitha take was that. So the Tamil I was writing as if writing of Jayalalitha. So I was not memorizing. I was learning Tamil and writing my own. You would have my papers there. So I was writing my own stories. So then when I got to 60 and 50% marks, so then I memorized and wrote of it. And I used to write in slanting Tamil. Because it looks very good. The straight Tamil words, it takes very time to write. It's actually the Urdu words, it takes very time to write. As of English, if you write in slanting words, it takes about half of the time only. And for about some 3 hours of time you give for the exam, I used to write about some 40 to 50 pages within 3 hours. So both Tamil and English. So that's the gift they gave for me as a girl from Cluny. And so like Tamil, then English Miss Hema was taking, and English went on as usual. I don't remember much, but I still remember the non-details. And we were in Greece and the Jamaican islands, and it was a beautiful story about the horse Pegasus and the hero and the Medusa's head. And because I never thought of going outside, because my work within college and house was much defined. But that was a time when I didn't have much of sufficient oxygen. So because at that time I did not have a smartphone, and so I just went on, and still I am continuing with it. So this Sunday I think I'll go to Greece and get into the Medusa stories for you again. That was a beautiful non-detail, and the stories of Roman and Greek, that requires good praise and whatever in the world. And so next in the 8th standard we had this Tom Sawyer. So it was quite dirty. I was not at all interested about the Tom Sawyer, but the Schwartz and the story. But my cat is acting as Tom Sawyer, and it was okay, somewhat okay. Then again I started reading during my college times also. I had the book and I was reading. Yes, And at that time they asked us to take buy a Shakespeare's tale during the holidays and write a review about the Shakespeare's tale. So I bought the Tempest and also the Shakespeare's all the tales book. So I read all of the stories and it's very beautiful. And these were good. And so new names, Sebastian and all of the names. So then we went to this Paravasa Ulagam, this Dreamland, yes. So that was a beautiful time and a very good dreamland, and my friends were there. So Lavanya, Ramya, Janani, Aarti, and very good memories. There was my birthday during 7th standard, my birthday, and 7th or 8th, I don't know. Then my family members were there, my uncle, my chitti, my party, and also both of my family members were there, and also my friends were there. So I don't know, at that time they were giving farewell to me. It was a surprise only. It was not a surprise, it was just a news for me. But I was not bored about the place. Still, even now I am thinking of whether we could go there again to my old house. I don't know the difference. I really don't know the difference between my old and new house. I know only the distance between my old and new house. That's so. On every of the God's blessing, every child gets a different blessing, and then during my that time I was very much interested in the video games, and with my brother we used to so my brother was going to 9th standard, and he used to say about the botany and zoology. He had the books and he told me, I still remember. And then we used to play with the video games, and then only now during my college time I saw the movie, Dhanush movie, similar movie they were acting and showing. Movie was put on, and my brother's mother and my father, brother's father, both were there, and at that time only my sister's marriage was there. So my sister Geeta Priya's marriage was there, my brother Balaraman, and my chitti, his name is Mala, and my chittappa name is his name is I forgot his name, Mani. His name is Mani actually. His name was Ranganathan, and he exactly looks like MGR. So I found out he exactly looks like MG Ramachandran. And my chitti was looking like actress Saroja Devi. Yeah, she was acting like, and so then she used to say about old movies and all. She likes it, and so we were in the house, and then during my 6th or 7th standard, 6th standard only I think, my elder brother got married, Mr. Raja, and his wife name is Meena. so they got married, and so they were love marriage, and so only the reception was held, and so then my sister Veena's age attend function was held in the same mandapam. So there was a mandapam newly built there. So like then was like so today I was there nearby. I was getting to my laptop battery repair, so I was there. Yes, I remember. So people were there, and so like then was like my sister's Geeta Priya's marriage was very nice, and she was very beautiful, and she and my sister Lata was very friendly, and so she used to read this Kumudam Kungumam books and all, Rani and these books and all. I used to see pictures. I don't read that and all. I don't know to read and all. I know to read, but together reading was very difficult. So so I was also given training to read those books and all. So when I was here during my 10th standard and all, I started reading those books. So I was given good training of reading the books, especially. Just because I was not able to read those books, I was given training. And even though the newspapers in my with my Kaveri grandfather, I was not able to read the newspaper. That training also was given to read. And and in the evenings I used to go to my brother's. I don't do homework and all. Mostly I don't, but I read. Well. But even though I did not read, I got this proficiency. And I think like I mean like for only the this is the for the practicals you have given out the proficiency and the marks, right? I don't know that. I thought only if we read and write we get the marks. So I know. So you would have given for outdoor behaviors, and also for that also you give marks, external marks, and also for projects and all outside. So you have given for it. Okay, anyway, thanks. But for all of the times I can't do this projects and with my friends and all, because we have a family, and we need to talk and discuss, and because we get a lot out of it, and so we have a separate union. Okay, anyways, I don't know whether they have given it for together or no. I'll get a separate certificate for this if they have a competition like this, isn't? So okay, let me get to it clear. I'll be there to the Nicaragua, our meeting place in the Mysore Mahal. So like on 29th of this month. So even though for Diwali I was there, I'll be again for the Kartigai Deepam. So you can discuss with me like that. So because this is also pending, isn't? So yeah, it's very much pending and very much thought conscious about thought provoking, and so like so we were having good times with the video games and playing, and we were cycling. So this Lakshmi Narayana Perumal temple was built with the plates. So at that time when I was here, during the ninth standard, this Gajini movie was there. In that, Surya and Asin used to keep their legs on the cement plate for a new house. So you did that. That was very awesome about the temple. So recently only I saw about the plates there. So I saw the cycle marks. Oh, you have built it up like that. So because I don't know, you must have told everything. Don't make these very much surprised. Don't be so shy about these. So these are big great things which everyone see. Even though we do great things and magics, these are something, even though if it is a 1 paisa, it is very useful for our brain. See, I am very much proud about my cycling skills, and we both form a good brotherhood and a sisterhood. So, and we had a great family time, and it represents all of our faces there. Please tell us if you do anything for us at that time. So don't think that we are all dead, or like we have not been successful in life. Everything you tell about us was only about the basic words. You don't tell about these monuments. Oh my God, my father has done. Okay, oh, my grandfather did not do that. My father has. So Miss P.N. Geeta did not do that. My father has done it. So, but Miss P.N. would have given ideas and all. So, like, okay, then. So it was the time from which we departed from Nicaragua. I mean the formation of child. So like there was this war, and we departed from, and we had our car, the Bhaskara one. So the time is going to be 11 o'clock, but still like I am making much noise, but still I have to tell. And then what happened was like it went on well, and we used to play cards, and we used to play all of the games, and so my brother did a lot of work, and he used to study well, and we ate this mutton gravy. Mutton gravy. Until then I had not eat mutton, because I was not so like type of eating fat. Then we had this Bengal gram, Mookadala, Kondakadala with noolkol sambar, and we tried making parotas, and so like we had a very good time. So that house was entirely occupied for 1 year. For about some 1 to 2 years it was entirely occupied. So until 6th standard this house was occupied. From 7th and 8th that house was occupied. And so I don't know, they were my teachers, I don't know. Miss Gauri was there, and so when I saw Miss Gauri, she looked like my aunt itself. So then only I found out. Oh my God. Okay. Then during that times we went for a long distance in the car. So we used to go to Tiruvannamalai, to our party house, and then what long distance did we go? We did not go to Kumbakonam. We did not go there. But we went to Eragudi. During that time, we went to Eragudi. We went to Koli Hills, Puliyanjolai, and the falls, and all of the beautiful things in the world. So there, my grandfather was there, and he was making magic, and we had this Dracula continuation, and it went on beautiful with the car, and excellent driving by my father, and so we had a good time. So like yes, it was a beautiful time, and I would like to describe my experience with the Koli Hills and the Eragudi. It was a beautiful temple. So at that time I had this ulcer problem, and there was this narrowing of my trachea. So my breathing was not quite well. So I had my first encounter. So then with the nearby doctor in the Gandhi Road, so nearby the forest department, so he was very much helping, and he gave this, he introduced me the Omis, the H2 plus blocker. So I had a mild heart attack. So it's an heart medicine again. Both these Omis and Rantac and Diclo, everything is for the heart. So even though the medicos don't know, as I was consuming, I know it. So I also had a small tablet for the bacterial, I had sore throat for the bacterial invasion. So I had this what is called as ischemia, myocardial ischemia. So a quiet infarction also, and a few of my friends and teachers have thought I have attained menarche, but instead I had a heart attack. So when I was in the school, I had a heart attack. So like the next day when I went to school, I was not able to bear. So I called for my father, and so my brother was there. He took me to home, and my mom was helping with it. So and after every treatment, so even this poppy seeds was soaked in this milk for the treatment. Poppy was giving an extra punch and extra rise of blood pressure, and so it did not reduce. And so then only I started eating this Chinese foods, which gave me relief from the Ajinomoto. And so like then I was quite not well at all. Then recovered for some times. And my grandfather, we went to Koli Hills, there Pachamala Falls, and the temple. So it was Chidambareshwarar and Sivagami Sundari. So I prayed to Goddess and offered her a saree for getting me well out of this. And so for that they gave this this vibhuti smoke and lemon as a treatment. So, and also uh, um, this black color, they say it as mai. So for that, and I got well. So it's an important case. So I'm going to investigate it out, because by birth I was tuberculous. So tuberculosis associated with cancer is a uncommon case, and associated with myocardial infection and all, it's very rare. And so, and even though I would like to thank them, and so I would go and thank them. So I think the roads are open for me by now, and I'll be going up with my mother also. And so like we also see this astrology there. We saw the astrology, and he used to tell, and every of his words were very much helpful for my mind and soul. And so I'm very thankful to him. Still he is not well by, but he could not walk or like move. He is aged, but he is nearby there. And I also called him recently and asked to come to home. And so like then it all went on. And so okay, let's continue the episode with that. Even though it had an attack on me, I'm not worried. I'm very thankful, and it's okay. These are like just growths. And so, and during the 7th standard, we went to Seshanjavadi for this guides and scouts one day. So tour from the school. And so then I also joined the school choir, and also the this band, school band. So now I'm very happy that I could play the guitar with the musical songs. Even though I not learned the keys, I could play it my own. I'm very much trained of the music, and so if I learn the keys, I'll be very much well versed. But it was like earlier learning. So then in the band we were playing this beagle or a bugle. So just a one part, and then we need to go to the exercise. And we had this red color dress, and in the 8th standard we had this coat dress, graduation dress for the 8th standard. Yes. So they gave us an recognition, and the collectors, in front of collector, we did it in the both the 7th and the 8th year, both the year we performed in front of the collector in the stadium, Gandhi Stadium. So today I was along the stadium also. So like about our 7th standard trip to Seshanjavadi. So I'm moving in Seshanjavadi now. So like I will also describe our case there. So we had one sir there. His name is Senthil, I think. So he was very much helpful to us, and we had a nice time. And I think I have told you about this early, and so like we had a nice time. Then okay, my battery is low. Okay, let's continue in the next video about our Seshanjavadi trip, and I'll start forth with the Atur excavations and descriptions. I'll finish off the Atur chart, and so then also the Eragudi, the Rasipuram, Namakkal side. I have finished it earlier. We'll see with the mathematics next. And thank you everyone who have been along with me during the 7th and the 8th standard. So thank you.